Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Hikmatullah from Wisdom English Language and Computer Academy. Today my job is to interview some of our students. So be with us, don't go anywhere. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, do you have time for a couple of questions?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Manaham Ishfaq and I'm from Peshawar.
Okay, your name is Manaham and you are from Peshawar. Okay, that's great. Okay, can you tell us how many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages,
Okay, you speak two languages. And what are those two languages?
English and Urdu.
Okay. And what language do you speak at home?
We speak Urdu at home.
You speak Urdu at home. Okay, that's great. And do you like Peshawar?
Yes, the city is very beautiful.
Okay, the city is very beautiful. Okay, and what do you like to do and what do you like in Peshawar?
I like their parks, restaurants, and Peshawar Zoo.
Okay, great. And what's your favorite city in Pakistan?
My favorite city is Peshawar
Your
in
favorite
Pakistan.
city is Peshawar. And your English is very good. Do you study English?
Yeah,
Where do you study English?
I study English in Wisdom English Language and Computer Academy.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.